Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Let me see your hands.
Caught on the run, 9 days after abandoning his 3-year-old daughter in the woods, found filthy, alone, and several blocks from home, Cody Goebel was convinced he had gotten away with it. He was wrong.
Hands up!
Come on.
Hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Come back here.
Turn around. Turn around. Got him still? Do what you gotta do, bud.
Here you are. We'll take him into custody.
Good. They're over there stealing my shit.
Well, maybe you should just turn yourself in like you said you were
Turn
gonna.
myself in for what? I didn't even know I had a warrant out.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. I've been at the
know
house.
that.
I've been at the house.
That's why you were hiding, right?
I was hiding where? Tell me where I was hiding. Tell me where I was hiding.
Right
Here.
here. No. He takes everything with him. No. Absolutely not.
Let me take Mr. Goebel.
Oh, hey,
You never turned yourself in, buddy.
Yeah, I didn't have to.
There's help from the inside. What's your name?
Okay.
No, she wasn't helping me. I just ran in there.
No, you've been here.
I just got here today.
Cody, come on, man. Relax.
Man, fuck you. And fuck him and fuck you.
What did I
You know,
do?
what am I in trouble for? Tell me.
It's the warrant, man. Remember
What
we talked
warrant?
about it. Child neglect. You got a bond, though.
Oh, boy, I tell you.
Cody, come on, man.
I'm calm, but y'all treat me like I'm a bad dude, man.
I wasn't in there. It wasn't me. I wasn't in there, man.
Can you fix this?
I'll fix it for you. I got you.
It's cutting into me bad.
Here, let me get a skirt. We'll fix it right now.
All right, listen. I'm willing to talk.
I know, Cody. I can see it once we're on the AC for you, okay?
Yeah. You think I can smoke a cigarette?
Take a seat and let me talk to my Sarge first, and then if you're gonna be cool with me, I'll give you my word. I'll just smoke one before we go.
Yes,
Fair?
sir. Yeah, I'm gonna be respectful.
All right, take a seat for me real quick. I gave you my word. As long as you don't give us any trouble, I'll let you smoke one before we go. Okay?
Yes, sir. So, okay, I'll wait till you come back. And
Yeah, give me a minute real quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
When deputies searched Goebel's wallet, they weren't expecting to find anything, but what they found added an entirely new set of charges to an already devastating case.
My heart is about 1,000 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's definitely scary when we come barging in the door, but he's got warrants for child neglect, and his 2-year-old daughter got out the other day and was just in the world, and he had no clue, and then he took off running. Let's go to Mountain City.
Yeah. He's got that money.
Are you doing food stamps, or are you doing? Make sure you're not paying on cash.
You see this?
Yep, I know.
Baby of Brandy Bosford.
Yes, I know.
Did he have the opportunity to throw anything?
You're all a bunch of drugs.
Okay. Yeah, because he had a pipe on him.
Huh. Well, this is the wallet.
Who saw him throw the wallet?
I didn't. All I
just
saw.
went back and checked
we
right
just
where he
went
was.
to check where he was because I figured he'd drop some drugs,
Cameras?
and he did.
Not yet. They just reopened.
But
It started because
is he the parent of Brandy Bosford?
his girlfriend.
Oh, that is her.
Yeah.
So what's going on, man? Why'd you take off in there and hide behind the door and all that?
Because I don't even want to go to jail, man. I want people to hear my side of the story. Like, she's putting me through the ringer. Like,
So why don't you call me back? I mean, you gave me your side, but
you know what I mean? Just because I feel like it's over with for me. You know what I mean? Like, I don't got nobody, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, all these, like, the people at my house now, you know what I'm saying? I was good. And then, so people started coming around and all this other stuff. And I just now got my phone back from my first roommate, but Brandy kicked him out, you know, and then she said it was okay for me to stay there. So I stayed there. Well, her dad came, like, they were texting me, I'll show you on the phone, man. So I talked some nasty shit, you know?
Yeah.
But I don't care about nothing. You know what I mean? I mean, I do, but I'm saying, like...
Yeah. Did you think the deputy wouldn't check the room? They saw you.
No, I know. I just, whatever's whatever, you know what I mean? But...
Yeah. I mean, did you... I wasn't over there, obviously. Did you see the deputies pulling up? Is that why you were in the room?
Yeah.
All right.
I seen him through the window, you know what I mean?
All right. I mean, hey, you tried.
Well, I mean, I could have really got away, but...
Well, there's 2 canines here. I wouldn't have been the best suggestion.
I know. Because the 8 years that we've been together, I fucked a lot of hoes, man. I ain't gonna lie. So, with the DCF people getting involved in our case, I already know, like, they're making it tough, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, Brandy, I'm not talking to you about our relationship. I'm talking to you, we gotta be civil for the kids so the people can see that we actually get along.
Yeah.
You know, if not, it's going to be tit for tat type shit, man. And that's what it's becoming now, tit for tat. Like her dad showed up. I already knew I was going to jail today, you know. It's only like a gram. It looks like a lot. Maybe 2 grams at that.
So how much did you pay for it?
Like $100 and something bucks.
Cash? I assume you have cash in your wallet.
Yeah.
Have you smoked any of this today or no?
Yeah, I was. That's what I was doing. It's a brand new pipe I just bought out the store right here.
And I'm a man of my word. In a minute, I'm gonna let you smoke because you've been straight up to me, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, I don't want to. Man, I love you guys. Y'all are first responders. You know, I mean, y'all got a job. You got families and shit. I understand. But see, this is where I'm at with mine. Instead of my wife just saying she don't want to be with me no more, because she's been gone for 3 weeks or better, or 2 weeks.
Remember, she's not the one who called originally.
I know.
Just throwing that out there.
I
She's
know.
not the one who called about the original stuff.
I'm not. I know the neighbors did.
Yeah, someone on the street called. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but they make it sound like way worse than it is. See, what happened was I've been taking my medicine so I don't be rude and mean to my wife. It levels me out, but it's really too strong for me, and it's only 5 milligrams. You know, so what I was gonna do today or tomorrow, whatever, but now obviously I gotta go to jail, but I was gonna check myself in the Baker Act.
You said Jason Finch?
Yeah, I was gonna be homicidal, suicidal, you know? I was gonna make y'all kill me. Just because I feel like my life's over with, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, I'm glad you didn't obviously make that decision.
I told my
tonight.
brother, I talked to my brother today. I told him, you know what I mean? Like, it's just hard to explain, man. That's like, I feel like I set up. Like, he gives me this.
Well, he didn't. No one told us. He didn't tell us you were here or something.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I'm not worried. But y'all check here. Y'all.
Is your AC on back there?
Yes, sir. But what I'm saying is, like, it's to me, it was just like a whole setup. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You're trying to make it worse on you. That's what you're saying.
yes, they make it look bad. Now I'm getting called a dope. Now, you know what I'm saying? Now it really looks bad for the DCF people. And really, I only started back probably about a week and a half or 2 weeks ago since these.
Do you think rehab would help you? You ever tried rehab?
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know if they're gonna let me go. I
mean,
need
you
help.
know,
like,
we have the way to recommend that. Do you think it'd actually help you?
I think so. I mean, I don't.
If I were to say to the judge,
like, I don't
think you
deserve to
should
go
get
to jail
rehab.
for child neglect because I didn't neglect her. I literally, I swear to God, on everything I love, walked around the house to get a plastic shovel and a hoe that she was playing with because she was using her hands in the like little dirt oyster bed thing on the side yard, and she was gone. So what happens? What she does is she poops and she gets embarrassed. I mean, my daughter, for being 3 years old, she's a wizard for real. You know, she's fucking smart. And then I knew my old lady was gonna leave when the DCF people 2 weeks ago is when they closed the last case. Instead of being, she's lying and hiding. They're not gonna take our kids from us, bro. If she didn't sign a piece of paper saying that she would not leave them with me unattended no more. They're not gonna take her. She failed for drugs or something. I know, but she's not being completely honest.
22-7, 10-12 landing.
22 hours.
Is there another unit around 22-4?
1054.
I'll be around
22 hours.
Instantly blue. Tested positive for methamphetamine.
There you go.
6.1.
6.1 grams. Thank you. So it's approximately 6.1 grams of crystal meth.
There was a 2-year-old during all this. Or 3
Down there
hours.
with him already. She was already.
No, before that. That's why this all started. Was
Yeah, she was with me in the side yard.
We found a 2-year-old. You know what I mean?
I know.
That's not good for
it's
anybody.
horrible, you know. But I'm saying, you know, she don't communicate with me. And 2 weeks before all this conspired, she fucking ain't see the kids. She changed the bus route. Like, why? You know what I mean? Why? You'd have to ask her. I don't know.
Yeah.
But that's the gist of it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
She makes me look like a bad guy. And then she's saying that the kids, they're taking the kids for 6 months. Well, that's your fucking problem. It's on you. You should have signed that piece of paper. Then I started thinking, and then I started talking, and you know, the streets talk. They talk. I'm well known in this town. My brother is too. So, if he's going to say, hey man, blah, 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 you know what I mean? I'm like, yeah, okay. Well, so I've been known, but I didn't care because I was comfortable, you know, I guess you would say. Wanted to be civil for the children, so she slept on one bed and I slept on the other.
Yeah.
She said she was leaving to go get chicken feed and ain't been back. And then she pulls in on my daughter's birthday the other day and drops her off. Didn't say she was leaving. Didn't say nothing. I just happened to be in the side yard with her playing. Oh shit, Mama's gone. What the fuck? Okay. That's how it goes. And I ain't putting the blame on nobody because I'm an adult, so I should know better, you know. But in the same sense, I feel like I don't deserve it, you know. I said, I'm standing behind you, bro. I'm 20 feet fucking away from you. Turn around. Literally, turn around, bud. He didn't want to turn around. He's like, and he stops the car and he gets out. I run across the street. And then he's like, oh, we're not going to do nothing to you. Just come talk to us. Oh yeah, I want to come talk to you. Okay, I learned that.
So I told you to be going to jail. I was
Yeah.
I didn't try to trick you like the
I
other
wasn't
guy.
ready to go to jail because I need to figure out, you know what I'm saying? All I care about is my shit. And I want to get good so I can be actually all right pops for my youngins, you know what I mean? But she started this war because she took them from me 2 weeks ago, and then she shows up and leaves unannounced, and you know. So that's how that works. I get it. My name's fucked in this town. They want me to be the bad guy, but I talked to my boss, and I was supposed to go back out on the boat. So y'all lucky you got me today, because next day or tomorrow I'd have been in Apalachicola somewhere, you know.
Yeah, maybe, you know, maybe you got to bond out and stay out of trouble till your court dates and shit.
Man, I can't bond out. It's a child neglect charge. That's last I looked at shit up. That's $200,000.
It ain't that much.
That's
It ain't gonna be that much.
well, I mean, I don't know. My buddy had a charge. It was child endangerment, you know.
All right, take a seat for me, sir.
Yeah.
Cody Goebel was transported to the Indian River County Jail facing charges of child neglect, drug possession, drug paraphernalia possession, and resisting arrest. His 3-year-old daughter was safe. He was not. Justice has a way of finding everyone eventually.